Well, this is me. My name's Oleg. And this is my lovely wife, Kate. We live in Ontario, Canada, and we absolutely love traveling around this beautiful province. One day, I said to Kate, "Listen, we travel so much and see so many beautiful places. Why don't we start making videos of our journeys so others can also experience these places and perhaps travel there too? Let's share some of the beautiful moments we experience with others." And we decided to start. While we appreciate touristy spots, our true passion lies in undiscovering secret and hidden beautiful locations that are still undiscovered. In today's video, we are excited to share with you one location that holds a special place in our hearts and where we love to visit often. The town of Bracebridge and its beautiful waterfalls. Our home is in Barrie, and it takes approximately an hour by car to reach Bracebridge. The drive along Highway 11 heading north is truly a sight to behold, as the natural beauty of Muskoka begins to unfold, captivating us at every turn. After exactly 1 hour of driving, we arrived in the charming town of Bracebridge. Before walking through the town, we made our first stop at the enchanting Wilson's Falls, which is just a 5-minute drive from downtown Bracebridge. At Wilson's Falls, there's plenty to do for visitors. The fall's natural beauty makes it a great spot for scenic hikes. The well-maintained trails lead you through lush greenery and the soothing sounds of cascading water. Photographers will be delighted to be here too, as they can capture mesmerizing shots with the falls. Apart from hiking and photography, it's a peaceful place to relax, meditate, or do yoga in the middle of nature's tranquility. Lastly, don't forget the opportunity to take a refreshing dip in the falls waters and have a fantastic time. After enjoying some time at Wilson's Falls, we headed to downtown Bracebridge to explore the amenities the town has to offer. In downtown Bracebridge, you'll find numerous charming little shops and stores. However, considering the hot weather that day and my love for ice cream, we decided to treat ourselves to a visit to a delightful little ice cream shop. In just a 2-minute walk from there, you can experience the beautiful views of the Bracebridge Falls, located right in the heart of the town. Or you can drive through this bridge, and in about a minute or two, you'll reach a stunning location with a more panoramic view of the falls. But wait, my friends, there's more. Just a quick 10-minute drive from downtown Bracebridge, you'll find another picturesque location that you should absolutely visit: High Falls. The main highlight is of course the mesmerizing waterfall itself, with its impressive cascade and striking natural beauty. If you're up for a thrilling adventure, you can explore the falls up close by hopping across the rocks or finding a spot for a refreshing dip in the cool waters. Moreover, on the other side, you have the option to rent a kayak and get up close to the falls, enjoying the thrill of swimming nearby and experiencing that kind of adventure. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through Ontario's hidden gems. We hope this video inspires you to explore the breathtaking beauty of Bracebridge and its majestic waterfalls. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting adventures on our channel. Let's embark on unforgettable experiences together, discovering the wonders of this magnificent province. Until next time, happy exploring!